Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're on the hunt for ways to boost your skin's radiance using only natural ingredients, you've clicked on the right video. Today, I'm going to share some of my favorite natural beauty hacks that will help you achieve that glow from within without breaking the bank or your skin's natural barrier. Let's dive right in. First up is the magic of green tea. Not just great for sipping, green tea can work wonders on your skin. It's packed with antioxidants that can reduce inflammation and give your skin a fresh, rejuvenated look. Here's a quick tip. Brew a strong cup of green tea, let it cool, and then use it as a face mist or a toner. It's incredibly refreshing and can help tighten your pores with regular use. Next, let's talk about honey. Nature's sweet nectar isn't just delicious, but it's also a fantastic moisturizer and antibacterial agent. Applying raw honey to your face creates a gentle, natural glow while fighting off acne-causing bacteria. Just apply a thin layer as a mask, leave it on for about 15 minutes, and rinse off with warm water. You'll notice your skin feels softer and looks brighter. Now, who hasn't heard of the miraculous benefits of aloe vera? This plant is a goldmine for skincare. Aloe vera not only helps in soothing sunburns, but also aids in reducing skin inflammation and promoting moisture. Just slice an aloe leaf, extract the fresh gel, and apply it directly to your face. As a bonus, you can mix it with a few drops of vitamin E oil for an extra boost of skin healing. And for our final hack, let's not underestimate the power of oils, specifically coconut oil and argan oil. These oils are fantastic for your skin. You can use coconut oil as a makeup remover or as an overnight moisturizer. Argan oil, on the other hand, is perfect for those of you with dry skin. It's incredibly nourishing and packed with vitamin E, which is essential for skin health. Remember, all skin types are different, and it's important to test these products on a small area first to ensure you don't have an allergic reaction. Natural doesn't always mean irritation-free, so it's better to be safe. That's all for today. I hope you found these natural beauty hacks helpful. Try them out and let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. See you in the next